Okay, so every entrepreneur and business owner knows that they need systems in their business, but a lot of them have no idea what that actually means. So I'm going to solve this for you right now by telling you exactly what people mean when they say you need systems in your business. So the first thing is that you need a bunch of standard operating procedures or process documents for how you do everything in your business, all the way from the management stuff all the way down to the nitty-gritty ground level detailed stuff. And once you have these, you need to put them in what's called a knowledge base or a business wiki, like Confluence, Slab, or Notion, where they can be referred to by your team members. So you tell your team member, hey, if you need to do this process, go to the knowledge base, look up this SOP, and follow the steps. And as you go about doing it, I want you to improve the SOP if you come across anything that needs to be changed or that could be done better. And so what you do is you take all these SOPs, you delegate them to your team, you have your team improve them over time, and that's pretty much it. That's how you systemize your business. Because over time, your team members are going to add to the knowledge base, improve all your SOPs for you, and you'll find that everything in your business starts running like a well-oiled machine.